Welcome back, you guys. On tonight's episode, we're gonna make a very easy one-pan chicken dish. Let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
All right, guys, for this, I'm gonna be using chicken thighs with the skin on and the bone in. You can use skin off, bone out if you want, but you're gonna get the most flavor if you leave the skin on and keep that bone in. We have some spinach, and I have a can of chickpeas that's just been in my pantry forever, so I figured, hey, why not use it? And then to tie it all together, help make our sauce, we have a little bit of sun-dried tomato paste. First things first, I have a pan, a stainless steel pan. I'm gonna get onto medium-high heat. I'm just gonna season our chicken with a little bit of salt and pepper. And now we're going for really crispy chicken skin. It's at room temperature. That's gonna help us too with the skin. If it's super cold, we're gonna put it in and all the heat's gonna get conducted into warming that chicken up first, and you're not gonna get crispy skin. If it's already at room temp, the heat can transfer right into that fat, start rendering right away. I'm going with no oil in the pan because the skin of our chicken is gonna render off enough fat, and we'll just let those start to crispen up about 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat. You can go really even lower heat if you want with this. Say you go low heat for 15-20 minutes and you're gonna get really dark, crispy skin like glass. But medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes, that will work fine for what we're trying to accomplish. This is all about just ease for this recipe. And while that's going, we can go ahead and season the other side with just salt and pepper again. All right, it's been about 10 minutes now. Our chicken is ready to be flipped. You can already see the skin has gone nice and brown and crisp. Look at that, that's what you want to see. Beautiful skin on that. Oh my God, perfect right there. So now there's a lot of fat. See, look at all that fat in the pan just from that skin alone. I'm gonna drain some of that off. Now we can go right in with that tomato paste that we have. And on top of that, I'm gonna pour in all of my chickpeas and then a little bit of chicken stock, probably about half this cup. Now let's be sure to stir all that in just to get the base going. So now we're gonna let this go until the chicken finishes cooking through. Okay, our chicken's been going for about 4 more minutes, almost all the way cooked through. The last thing we're gonna do is take all of our spinach and just go right on top. And then we're gonna let this wilt in, and that will finish off the dish. You get a nice nutritious meal. You get some greens, you get some chickpeas, you get some chicken. What's not to like? All right, once that spinach is all wilted down, we're good to go. Look at that. We have our beautiful meal right here. You put that on the table family style, everyone grabs a piece, and look at this is my favorite part. Listen to this skin. A little bit of everything in one bite. Phenomenal. Nice balanced meal right here, super easy. Guys, 20 minutes tops. That's gonna do it for tonight's episode. I'll see you guys next time. I'm Donnie, peace.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.